Welcome. It's such a blessing to come to you again. In this video, I want you to declare that it's your miracle day.
Imagine waking up tomorrow to find an incredible sum of money in your bank account. So much that it feels like a dream. This isn't a fantasy. It's a reality waiting for you when you align your energy with the infinite flow of abundance. The powerful prayer you're about to learn has transformed lives, bringing financial miracles to countless people. All you need is faith, gratitude, and the willingness to test its power. Financial miracles. Prayer. Divine force of the universe, source of infinite abundance, I come before you with an open heart and unwavering faith, ready to align myself with the energy of wealth and prosperity that surrounds me. I call upon your divine power to manifest a financial miracle in my life, bringing me the resources I need to create a life of joy, freedom, and security. In this moment, I open my mind and heart to receive the fortune that is already on its way. I know that money is energy, and as I align with this energy, I naturally attract wealth into my life. O powerful Creator, I ask that the flow of prosperity manifest now, in grand and miraculous ways. Let the money come to me like a rain of blessings, filling every corner of my life with abundance. I declare with confidence that starting today, a great sum of money will enter my life from both known and unexpected sources. When it arrives, I will accept it with deep gratitude, knowing that I deserve every penny. My financial transformation begins in this very moment, and what once seemed impossible will now become my reality. Lord of all abundance, I ask that the universe surprises me with financial blessings. Let money come to me in ways I cannot yet imagine. Quickly, effortlessly, and justly. I deserve this prosperity, and I am ready to witness the miracle of wealth unfolding in my life. As I speak these words, I open the doors to unlimited abundance. From this moment forward, my life will never be the same. I elevate my thoughts and my voice to the universe, affirming that I am deserving of all the wealth and riches life has to offer. Each word I speak is filled with intention and faith, connecting me to the infinite flow of prosperity that surrounds me. The money I once thought was far away is now moving closer to me, finding its perfect path into my life. I decree that from today onward, the doors of abundance open wide for me. All financial limitations that once surrounded me are now dissolving, clearing the way for me to receive a fortune greater than I could ever imagine. Money is energy, and I am a magnet for this powerful force. Opportunities to prosper appear before me each day, and I accept them with gratitude and courage. I free myself from any belief that has ever held me back from achieving financial success. All invisible barriers that once stood between me and wealth are now removed. The universe is working in my favor, attracting the people, circumstances, and opportunities that will contribute to my financial success. Money is not difficult to attain. It is a natural result of my new way of thinking and feeling. I am ready to witness financial miracles in my life. What was once just a desire, now becomes my certainty. My debts are paid, my dreams are realized, and financial security is a constant in my life. With each passing day, I see money flowing to me in greater amounts, and this flow will never cease. Wealth comes to me in surprising and wonderful ways. I am open to receiving money from every direction, whether through a gift, a business opportunity, a promotion, or an unexpected prize. I know the universe is limitless, and so are the ways in which prosperity can enter my life. Today, I decide to become a channel for wealth. I declare that money arrives quickly and easily, filling my hands with riches and transforming my life in ways I could never have imagined. Scarcity no longer has a place in my life. Financial worries are gone, replaced by abundance and security. I am grateful for every new financial blessing that comes my way. I clearly visualize my bank account multiplying, my investments growing, and my income increasing. I see money as a powerful tool to create the life of my dreams, and I am ready to use it wisely and generously. The more money I receive, the more I can share with those I love, spreading prosperity wherever I go. With every new opportunity, I take a step forward with confidence, knowing that success is already assured. The universe conspires in my favor, and everything I desire is already on its way to me. Money flows to me now, without effort, without resistance, and I receive it with an open and grateful heart. I am blessed with infinite riches. I accept the truth that I am worthy of a life filled with abundance. I was born to prosper, to live in fullness, and to be an example of how faith and action can transform a life. Today, I affirm with conviction that the money I need and desire is already coming to me, and I accept it with open arms. With every word I have spoken, I seal this request to the universe. May infinite prosperity manifest in my life now, in quick and miraculous ways. May abundance become my daily companion, and may money flow constantly into my life like an inexhaustible fountain of blessings. Money comes, money stays, and my fortune only grows. And so it is. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.